Hello, my teacher. Welcome to session 71.
Yes, welcome everybody. Hope
Welcome.
you're okay. Thanks for the support and the likes and comments and everything. Keep it up, please. And every day we will upload a new video to improve your English. Today we want to talk about TV shows, types of TV shows. Now, I want you to think about your favorite type of TV show. Let me write the question here. So, what's your favorite TV show? What is the name of your favorite TV show? Please comment for us, okay? What is it about? Now, how about you, Mr. T? What is your favorite type of TV show?
Talent of music and
Nice.
sing.
Okay. So it's a talent show about music and people go and sing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Yes. My favorite type of TV show is I really like soap operas, and my favorite is uh, Office, the Office show. Okay, it's the name of the show, and I love it. It's really funny. Anyways, today we want to talk about these different types of TV shows. You can see the pictures here. We have cartoon, soap opera, talk show, game show, documentary, reality show, sitcom, and the news. Before we talk about the meaning of these words, let's listen to the audio. Please listen and tell us what type of TV show do you hear, okay? And number them from 1 to 8. Get ready, please. Let's go and listen.
Page 47.
Please,
3.
little zoom out.
Build vocabulary. A. Listen. What kinds of TV shows do you hear? 1. Oh no! What is that?
As you can see, number 1 is the sitcom. Yes?
Yeah.
Number 1 is the sitcom. It's like the comedy or the funny show that make people laugh. That's the comedy. Next.
2. Oh, I'm sorry. That's the wrong answer. Now it's Cecilia's turn.
Okay, what is this?
Game show?
Game show, right. So in the game show, people usually play games and they win a prize at the end. That's the game show. Next.
3.
What is that?
Cartoon.
Cartoon, yes. Do you like to watch cartoons?
Yeah. So fun for me.
Yes, it is fun. That's right. It's fun for children and for adults. For both of them is good.
Yeah.
I really like cartoons. Nice. Okay. All right. Well, next.
4.
Good evening. Tonight's top story, 20,000 new jobs.
You. Yum.
What is
Well,
it?
talk show or the news?
It's the news. Yes.
News.
Yes, the news. This is the meaning. So the news talks about the different topics and stories that is happening every day. And usually it's sad stories, not good stories. So next.
5. But Diane, I love you.
I don't know. I don't have idea for this.
This one is soap opera. Yes.
Opera.
Soap opera. Yeah. Soap opera is the TV show that talks about the normal life of people. Okay, like I don't know, going to jobs, having romance. These are soap opera shows. Next.
6. Okay, welcome to the show. My guest tonight is an actor. Her latest movie is just out this week. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome.
Talk show. I love a talk show. Talk show is
Yes.
very fun.
It's fun, yes. Talk shows are very fun. So in the talk shows, usually we have one person in the talk show. They invite guests and they ask and answer questions and they play games maybe, okay?
Yeah.
So usually they invite celebrities, right?
Yeah.
They invite celebrities and famous people. Next.
7.
The groundhog sleeps through the winter and comes out in the spring. It lets us know.
And 8.
Documentary.
8. Okay, you have 30 seconds. Are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, so number 7 is documentary. It's about the life of animals
Yeah.
or nature. And number 8 is reality show,
Reality.
right? Okay. So let's check again. I read the words again for you. Check the pronunciation. Number 1 is cartoon, soap opera, talk show, game show, documentary, reality show, sitcom, the news. All right. Now, tell us what is your favorite type of TV show, guys? What is your favorite type of TV show? Now, in the last part of the video, we have these charts about likes and dislikes. Do you like soap opera? You don't like comedy shows? You don't like sitcom? So, how do we say it in English? What kinds of shows do you like and dislike? Complete the chart. Look, here we have I love, I really like, and I like. It shows when you love something, it means you like it very much. Okay?
Yeah.
For example, I love soap operas. What shows do you love?
I really in this chart.
Yes.
Yeah, I really like talk show, and I like cartoon.
That's nice. Okay. So if you don't like shows and you dislike them, okay, you can use I hate, I can't stand, or I don't like. For example, I hate, I don't know what. I hate the news. I don't like to watch the news. How about you?
I hate sitcom.
Sitcom. Okay.
Yeah.
That's right. Now, guys, please tell us what is your favorite type of TV show. You can use these expressions to talk about likes and dislikes in English. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next session. Don't forget to comment.
Bye.